Hello everybody, welcome to That Market Report. My name is Christian Charlo. Today we're Thursday, August 1st. Today folks, we officially have markets that are starting a clear bearish cycle. The SPY is officially starting a bearish cycle. All this is led first of all by the continuity of the loose monetary policies, not only of the Fed, but also of the central bank of the ECB and also the Central Bank of England, but also with the strong economic indicators that we just had. The ISM manufacturing survey, the initial jobless claims that made actually touch a 5-year low. So all this is actually adding up to the investors' optimism, and there are a lot of sectors which are actually starting a bullish cycle that are helping the SPY to make an all-time high by breaking that resistance. So what we're going to do today, I'm going to show you a list of some stocks that are on the sectors that we think have the most potential. Those stocks actually published on marketgurus.tv that you can have access for free for 10 days just by clicking at the link below. So let's start. What are the sectors that are fueling the buyer's momentum on the SPY? First of all, we have the Dow Jones Transportation making an all-time high. Actually, the best breakout that we found is, first of all, GB Hunt's trends. Look, volumes are increasing in that stock. The stock is clearly breaking an important resistance. We believe that the stock has some momentum on the upside. So GB Hunt trends, it's a go. You put your stop loss on the reversal of this upward trend at 73.97. So that's to get some exposure on the transportation. GB Hunt trends, we found it's the stock of the day. On the consumer discretionary sector, there are a lot of stocks that we actually recommended on the marketgurus.tv that you can have access for free. There's first of all New Oriental Education Tech. What we liked about that stock is that, first of all, in terms of some potential to go up from 22 to approximately 24, it's 10%, and the loss potential is not that great because it's only taking 3%. So if ever the stock totally loses upward momentum and break that support here around 2140, it's about 5%. It's not even 5%, it's 4%. So we think the risk reward is actually worth it for New Oriental Education. On a yearly basis, the stock already reversed its important triangle formation. After stabilizing, now the stock is again making a new breakout. So I would suggest you to not hold on to it until the stock retests that downward trend here at 1929. I would suggest to get out around 2113 if the upward momentum doesn't persist on that stock. But we believe the stock has more potential on the upside. There's also International Game Technology, same risk reward ratio as New Oriental Education because it's only taking 2.38%. If it breaks that support at 1823, it's about what, 4%, and the potential to reach $20, it's about right now it's 19. So 20 bucks, 21 bucks, it's about what, 9% approximately. So we believe that International Game Technology has more potential on the upside than on the downside. But you have to keep your same selling discipline. If the stock is reversing its upward trend and breaks that support at 1816, say goodbye to International Game Technology. On the TSX, we do not have a bullish cycle, but this increase in the TSX is led by the energy sector. And on that sector, we have one stock that I want to show you. It's ENERPLUS. We believe that this stock not only is breaking an important resistance, so that's good on a yearly basis, but also even if we put, for instance, that upward channel here from 1728 to that price here around 1916, it's almost 6% on ENERPLUS. So we believe that because the volumes have been increasing, because the stock is clearly breaking its upward its resistance, because it's in the energy sector, which is a sector that we believe might continue to help the TSX to at least reach its resistance at 12,781, we believe that ENERPLUS is the best bet to get some exposure on that sectors. So there are several breakouts throughout the market with this new bullish cycle. We actually chose the consumer discretionary sector, the transportation sector, and also the energy sector on the TSX to actually, because we believe those sectors will give the best potential on the upside. The full list of all the breakouts is published on marketgurus.tv. You can have access to it by clicking at the link below. And this is the list here of the best breakout in the transportation. It's GB Hunt trends. On the consumer and discretionary, New Oriental Education, and International Game Technology. And in the energy sector on the TSX, it's ENERPLUS. So this is it. See you next week for your market report. This was Christian Charlo from Decision Plus.